Today's unboxing is a marvel of technologic. You're mouthing what I'm saying. A marvel in tech. I think it's scripted. It's not scripted. A marvel.
This lame thing scripted?
In technology.
Okay, what is it?
Food technology.
Oh, okay. We brought it down to food technology.
It's the Coca-Cola. Oh, that's French side.
Oh my.
Pop-up hot dog toaster.
Well.
Oh, we're gonna need an extension cord.
Oh yeah, sure.
You figure out what that thing is.
That's the hot dog holder, my boy.
Oh, you probably need that to squeeze out the things.
What?
You know, to get the hot dog out of that tiny little hole there.
Well, it wouldn't be a very good, eyebrow plucker. Eyebrow plucker. Oh, say that fast. An eyebrow plucker.
Eyebrow plucker. Eyebrow plucker. Eyebrow plucker.
Okay, you're good.
We've been practicing at the house, actually.
This unit has a heating element, and during the first use, it may appear to smoke for a short period of time.
What? Okay.
This will stop and does not indicate a defect or hazard.
It may smoke. Did you bring the hot dogs?
Well, no. It's a mystery unboxing. It's not a mystery if I bring the stuff, but you.
Oh, ketchup and a mustard she even threw in for us.
Oh, we may even ketchup. Oh, Wendy's ketchup. Yeah.
It's pretty old. I wouldn't trust it. So we have the hot dogs.
That stinks to high heaven.
That's what gives it the official barbecue scent, I believe.
No, it's not the barbecue scent. It smells like
two in there.
Metallica.
Metallica?
Yeah, it
smells.
The band? Well, it smells. You have a metal smell.
So I'm assuming you're going to
put them in that way. No kidding. Look at that.
That looks about right to me. We haven't read any instructions.
No instructions. You know what we say, right? Instructions are for chumps.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying.
It is our motto. I think it's up there, right there on
Instructions are... Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. What a downer. I touched your bun with my fingers.
They don't go down. See, let me look in there. I don't think there's a thing that... you just... Oh, no, there is.
There's a heating.
There is
toasted hot dog.
There is a hot dog bun elevator. I was mistaken.
Element. Not elevator.
Elevator, no, it rises them up and down.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I just came up with that. I thought you might like it instead.
How long?
Oh, I didn't. I don't know. How's your Spanish?
And my Spanish is not good. Now, one of the things that we...
I don't think those dogs are cooked, man.
Those dogs are cooked, man. I'm not eating that dog.
They're not cooked?
Well, I don't know, but...
These are a little awkward.
Okay, so... No.
It's warm.
Yeah,
that slipped right in there, did it?
Yeah, sure.
Shall we flip our buns? Mine went. My elevator worked. Hold on, it says nostalgia.
Yeah.
Is this how hot dogs used to be cooked in your day when you were a little whippersnapper?
No. I get toasted hot dogs there being nostalgic. But here's the thing about this thing here. What are the plus sides is that there is the wow factor. What about, we haven't talked about the wow factor.
It's true.
Getting it out of the box.
We need a scale.
Wow is like, wow. It's that. So this is just meow. This is just meow. Is it meow or is it meow? Wow.
Is it a wow factor or a meow factor?
Well, I just thought a small wow.
In today's day and age, it should be the meow factor.
Yeah.
There is smoke.
There is smoke. I think that may be because the are burning.
Whoa!
Setting off the fire alarm.
Well, I don't know about you, but I'm ready for a tasty hot dog.
Yeah.
I don't know about that second round there.
Let's see. Is it cooked? Okay. Stop.
Hold on. Look, there's a hook here.
Okay. That is the most unappetizing. Look at that thing.
Do you pull out the bottom?
We have to pay attention to what we're doing here. This is the mystery unboxing. It's not the mystery eating contest. The millions of people out there are wanting to know what's good or bad. Should they get one of these?
Well, that's why I thought I was going to try the hot dog to know.
No.
Oh,
there's not just trying the hot dog.
We just buy things, it's stuck in there.
Okay, so this is, Coca-Cola people, listen up. This gadget here, unless we don't understand what it's for.
It's possible.
This thing here, no. I mean...
So hold your nose when it starts smoking.
First of all, it requires 700 pounds of pressure to
squeeze those together.
Squeeze the two together. You know,
want that hot dog.
It's like a thigh master for a mouse. You know what I'm saying? You see,
we can't get the thing out.
We can't get the thing out.
Oh, there you go. You hooked it. That thing's hot, though. So who's this for, Mike?
Oh, okay. Well, it's a nostalgia thing.
Yes.
So it's no good for young people because
No.
they don't remember. If you've got like a lonely person,
Yep. Yes.
you know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
They eat by themselves
Yep.
most of the time.
Poor lonely people.
Lonely people, and should your ship come in and someone visits you, well, you know, you got something to
Maybe
talk
one
about.
person, though.
Yeah, just one. Because if you have a group, if you have like a huge party, like 4 people in your apartment, this thing here, it'll keep you up all night making hot dogs.
Let's go smoke it. It's hot. It's actually really hot. See the smoking?
Look at that smoker.
It's cooked. It's cooked all the way.
It's cooked.
It's cooked all the way.